What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And today I am going to give you guys a really cool hack that I have learned, a secret for how you can get a lot more views on your videos, a lot more watch time, and help your videos go up the rankings in the search results on YouTube, something I haven't seen anybody else ever talk about on YouTube. I'm going to be giving you today, so stay tuned for that. Before that, I want to give a shout out to the contest winner. So let me pull the screen down here and show you who won the contest. So if you can see right here, Akinsola Toluwanimi. You've won the contest. Congratulations. So, all I need you to do is email moneymakermcgee, that's moneymaker and then MCGEE 3 at gmail.com, and I will give you the coupon for the free YouTube course. So congratulations on that. And another thing is, right now the course is at $165. On August 1st, I will be increasing that price up to $249. Reason why? First of all, people are, loving the course. A lot of people are buying the course, and, why not raise the price if, people are still going to want to purchase the course, right? And beyond that, the value is just like, is so high, and it's still a lot lower than most courses are. So keep in mind, you're going to be making somewhere between $100, $200, $300, all the way up to $1,000 a day by using this blueprint. So, once you get the ball rolling, once you get monetized, you're going to make that money back in literally 2 or 3 days, okay? So the value is just extremely strong, because then, the next 29 days, if you make 100 or 1,000, you're going to be making thousands of dollars. So I think this is a really valuable course that the quality really just overmatches the price at this point. And I've actually had a lot of people say, dude, I don't know why you charge so little for the course. I've actually had a lot of students say that when they get done. I don't know how you even sell it at this price point. I think it should be more expensive. I've actually had a lot of students say that, and that's a really cool thing for them to say. But yeah, if you keep in mind, like, go look around on the Shopify courses. A lot of people are selling $495 or $995 Shopify courses, right? And, it's the same thing that you're going to find in every other Shopify course, right? This is a course that, is cheaper than that. And not only that, it's a lot more valuable because you don't have to spend any money, and it's one of the easiest ways to ever make money online. Shopify is starting to get difficult to do. You have to build a store, you have to find the perfect product, then you have to spend a bunch of money on Facebook and Instagram ads. With this YouTube thing, it's cheaper than most of the Shopify courses you're going to find, or other make money on YouTube or make money anywhere courses that you're going to find. It's the only make money on YouTube course that you're going to find. And once you buy it, you don't have to spend any more money on ads or anything else like that in order to make this work. So that's why it's such a high quality. So if you do want that 165 price, go in and get it before August 1st, because August 1st it's going up to 249. So that is your warning right there, fair warning. All right, so let's talk about how you can increase your views and watch time in order to get up the search rankings. And this is something I've been doing recently that's really been helping me out. So if you look here, Google AdWords. For those of you who don't know what Google AdWords is, basically it's, when you are searching something on Google, or if you search on YouTube for a video and you see at the top there's that sponsored video on top, that's what that is. That's how you get that there. You can get it on the top of the search results just by, paying ad money for it, is how you do that. And then, so basically, if you run an ad, so like on this video I ran an ad, right? It got 5,300 views on it. I'm not sure how much I spent on this one. It was $10 a day for a few days. I think I spent like 30 or 40 bucks total on the video. And so as you can see, with 30 bucks, you can get over 5,000 views. And they count. So basically at the beginning of the video, you guys all know how ads work when you click at the beginning of the video and that ad pops up, and shows you 5 seconds or whatever, and then you can skip off, or you can watch it, or you can click the link, right? That counts as a view for that video. So that's how you get that on there, is through Google AdWords. So I could make a video where I'm like, hey, if you give me 30 seconds, blah, 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 buy my YouTube course. So I can make that, right? And you just do that through Google AdWords, and then you pay, and you can have it go to whoever you want. So I had this for Make Money on YouTube. People who are interested in making money on YouTube will see this video of me popping up and saying things about making money on YouTube. And so, as you can see here, a view counts if they watch, I think, over 5 seconds or something like that. Um, and so it counts as watch time and views. So, if your views aren't getting any, if your videos aren't getting any tractions and you have 30 bucks to spend, you can try this out. And basically, what's going to happen is you're going to get, 5 to 10,000 views on your video, and from there, that's gonna put you up the rankings because you're going to have 5,000 views, 10,000 views. You're going to have a whole bunch of watch time because it counts as watch time and views every time someone sees that ad, right? And so that'll just move you up the rankings. So that's something that you guys can try out if you've never tried it before. Just a cool little hack that I kind of came up with that I've been trying recently. I haven't tried this yet, but I know that right now I think I'm just doing it to America. But you could do it to like, maybe I think different countries have different price points. So like if you did like a third world country, I don't know if they'd understand your video unless they speak English. I think you can choose to go to a different country and then choose only people that speak English. So you could try to find a country that speaks English and but has cheaper ad rates, and then you can do this even cheaper. But basically, yeah. So it's a really good way to get a lot of views and a lot of watch time. And then when people are scrolling through videos, they'll be like, oh, this video. A lot of times people only watch videos that have a lot of views on them because they think they're the best videos, right? So if you can get your views up, and this is completely, it's not like something that YouTube doesn't like, which is buying views, where you go to like a website and buy the views and say buy 10,000 views for this video. It's the same thing except that it's completely within policy. Not only is it within policy, you can put a link for whatever you want. So I could have it linked to my course. So if people are interested, they could click on the link and go to my course, or you could have it also set up to go to a different video. So then they watch that video, you get a view and watch time for that, and then if they're interested, they could click the link, which would take them to another one of your videos, which would give you more watch time and more views on another video as well. Or you can just have it take them directly to your video, so then you kind of get two views and kind of two types of watch time there. So that's just a cool little thing that you guys can try out. I've been trying that with some success. Definitely been helping me get up the rankings, get the views and watch time that I need. I haven't been doing it on that many videos. It's just something I tried for a couple of them. But just a cool little hack that I came up with that I haven't seen anybody. Why is that so out of focus? There we go. So that's something I haven't seen anybody talk about on YouTube ever, but something that definitely works. So like you'll see like a lot of Alex Becker's videos, you'll see that he actually does put ads. He'll use his videos as ads a lot of times. That'll really get his views up and stuff like that. So if you ever go, you'll see Ty Lopez, like he'll have not that many views on some of his videos, but then one will have like freaking million, and that's because he ran ads on it. And so, he's getting, maybe 10,000, 10,000, 15,000, a million, and then like 20,000. So basically, that's just a really good way to get found. It's a really good way to get your search results up by getting you views and watch time. So just something that I came up with there that I thought was interesting and thought would help you guys out. Something I haven't seen talked about on YouTube. All right, so if you want that course at $165, you better get it before August 1st when it goes up to $249. All right, so jump in, grab it, and then contest winner, make sure you send me an email. All right, that's it. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.